Today at the evening hours, a person, a citizen, Kosovar citizen, came to the central police station in Pristina and reported to the police officers that his son was the one who was involved in the attack at the house of the Prime Minister Taci. Later on, the police took the father, the citizen, who was the father of the suspect, and went to the house and took the suspect, which suspect had the wound on his hand, and took him to the police station. During the statement, the suspect declared in front of police officers that he didn't have a clue that this house was the house of the Prime Minister, and he wanted just to steal something. The suspect was arrested, and he will be sent also for medical treatment, having in mind that he was injured.